best ways to start making money online as a teenager or any age in 2023. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys steps you guys can do, business models that you guys can do that are only online, and I'm just going to give you guys a guide in the correct direction and you guys can go from there. Now, the first business model I recommend that is online, this is probably the easiest one and will probably pay the most if you get it up and running, it's going to be YouTube automation. If you guys do not know what YouTube automation is, basically you create loads of YouTube channels and then you create a bunch of like short videos or just long videos, and then you monetize the videos and then you just get paid. And you can also do this with TikTok as well. If you manage to do both, you run like 10 to 15 YouTubes, then 100 TikTok accounts, you start making money off both the platforms. Then you just hire people to run the channels for you, and it's just pretty much, it's good passive income, and I would say it's quite interesting, so I definitely recommend YouTube automation. Now, these businesses I'm going to tell you guys about, I actually do these businesses online myself, so I'm talking from experience. I know they work, so please listen carefully. The second business model is going to be SMMA. If you guys do not know what SMMA is, SMMA stands for Social Media Marketing Agency. Basically what you do is you market yourself as an agency, but at the start you're going to be by yourself. You're going to do some research on how to do Facebook ads and how to do Google ads. From then, you're going to go and email companies, or you can call companies, and you're going to present yourself professionally and you're going to explain what your services are. From then, they'll pay monthly and you guarantee them that amount of customers, and all you have to do is advertise that company. This business model is a bit more difficult than YouTube automation, I must say. However, if you do get it up and running, the results are absolutely insane. This is what Eamon and Ganzi did. This is how we managed to build like 50 to 100k a month business just off this, so I definitely recommend it. Third side hustle is going to be day trading. Now, day trading, 2 weeks ago when I first started, I thought it was difficult, but if you guys just do some research, find out what are the best platforms, which I will tell you guys in a sec, it will become so much more easier, and then you guys will get the gist. You can just trade off your phone as well, because the app I'm going to tell you guys about just allows you to do it. And I think trading is good because it's just easy, because if you guys will see my most recent video, Day in the Life, you guys can see I was literally trading in the morning, trading on the way to the airport. It's completely, use it wherever you are and you can make easy money. Now, the last one is going to be dropshipping. Now, lots of you guys have probably tried to create dropshipping stores, but you've given up easily. Dropshipping is not difficult. When people say dropshipping is dead this year, oh, dropshipping is dead, blah, blah, blah. No, dropshipping is not dead. There's going to be over $600 million in online sales this year. That's expected, probably more to be fair. But if you can just market yourself properly and use actual good products that will solve problems, not that look cool, just a product that solves a problem, because that's what everyone wants. They want something that solves a problem. So if you guys can fill that gap, manage to solve a problem, market it properly, again, another passive income, because once you have everything running, you have a team in place, you're just at the top. All you do is collect the money, then you pay everyone else, but you're the one who's making the most money. I've made these businesses seem very simple, and you guys need to understand that you guys are going to start these businesses and you may not even find any success, but you need to keep on working. You need to understand what the end goal is. End goal is financial freedom. End goal is you feel better about yourself, you take care of others. You guys need to always work towards that and always have that in the back of your head. Why am I doing this? Because I want to be financially free. I'm able to. You guys need to always think of the end result, but you need to put the work in, because if you guys also do want to join my course, I talk about mental health and physical health a lot, which is what I'm going to talk about now. Course is here, join. But I'll talk about in the course how there's people that will just outcompete other people. For example, if I work super hard every single day, I don't take any breaks, I'm going to be the person who takes 2 days off on that Saturday, Sunday. That's what I'm trying to say. You guys can't take breaks. You guys just can't be lazy, because laziness is the worst thing for creating a business. You guys cannot give up, because giving up, people give up after 1 to 2 weeks. Now you have to keep going. Sometimes it takes years to see massive success. You guys need to not stop and you need to keep going. Just before we end the video, thank you guys so much for the recent support. We're nearly on 1k subs and I really appreciate it. And if you guys did enjoy this video, please be sure to drop a like and sub. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys later.